I'm Tim Perry, Director of Practical Law Australia, based here at Thomson Reuters in Sydney. I'm an M&A lawyer and formerly practiced at DLA Piper, Gilbert & Tobin and King & Wood Mallesons. In those roles, I ran multiple competitive bid processes for potential acquisition targets, and NDA negotiations were always a bottleneck. Multiple potential buyers would each require amendments to the target's confidentiality agreement, and inevitably, a junior lawyer became the custodian of these NDA negotiations, fielding red lines from counsel for every potential buyer. They'd constantly come to me with questions. Can we accept this change? What about that change? We accepted this amendment from Party A, so can I just use it for Party B? It became a huge drag on the entire bid process. CoCounsel Drafting with Practical Law Playbooks solves this problem. We've created a playbook for confidentiality agreements that lets you start with your preferred protections and sets out the fallback positions for the most common amendments requested by different classes of bidder. This really empowers the junior lawyers. They can run the counterparties' proposed changes through CoCounsel Drafting and instantly see the suggested fallback positions or highlighted risks. They're then equipped to explain to the other side why certain changes can't be accepted and what compromises are available. Only the issues that truly matter get escalated to the senior lawyers. When I was managing multiple deals at once, removing that drag would have been a game changer. Lawyers can use this NDA playbook or the other practical law playbooks in CoCounsel Drafting, secure in the knowledge that they have been developed and tested by the Australian lawyers in the practical law team, so they are current and appropriate for the Australian business context. In-house teams can also use our playbooks as a jumping-off point to develop their own and equip their businesses with the wherewithal to self-serve within parameters. The best part? CoCounsel Drafting is native to Word, which is where lawyers live and work already. Adoption is seamless, and it's incredibly liberating.